Hey everyone, it's Shauna the Tax Goddess and Chief Tax Strategist for TaxGoddess.com and BigTaxDrop.com. So super happy to have you with us here today on our channel, Tax Strategies that Save Entrepreneurs Thousands each year, where we're dedicated to helping small business owners reduce their tax burdens in all the legal ways possible. So today we're going to be talking about some last minute tax tips. We've got a little bit of time left until April 15th, so definitely wanted to get these out to you guys. Make sure that you're getting all of those dollars, keeping them in your pocket. So if this is your first time here with us at Tax Strategies that Save Entrepreneurs Thousands each year, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to download our free ebook, 10 Ways to Save 10K right now. Or of course you can check out our main website at BigTaxDrop.com. So let's jump into it today. Last minute tips here, okay? So if you have not contributed to your retirement accounts, there are certain accounts that you can contribute to up until April 15th, or of course, if you filed an extension, side tangent, one of the reasons we love filing extensions, it gives you extension time to also contribute to some of your business type retirement plans. But if you're an individual, make sure you've made your contributions to your IRA, Roth IRA, or non-deductible IRA if you're in that income limit. If you're making too much, check with your CPA, check with your tax strategist. Non-deductible IRAs are great because you can, of course, convert them to Roth IRAs a year and a day later. Little mini tax strategy. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, reach out to your tax strategist or BigTaxDrop.com. We'd be happy to help. Now, for business owners, if you file an extension, you may have an extension on making contributions like SEPs and Simples into the company retirement plan. So definitely make sure that you check with your financial advisor and your CPA. Make sure if those extensions will also give you an extension of time to make those retirement contributions. IRAs are due with or without extension. They're due April 17th this year for 2017's taxes. Now, make sure that you're making any estimated payments that are due, okay? Especially if you filed an extension. April 17th this year, April 17th is the deadline to pay, period. Just because you file an extension does not give you an extension of time to pay. It only gives you an extension of time to file. So you, your CPA, your tax strategist can work on other strategies, other way to tweak your returns before you actually file it to get your taxes down. However, if you think you're going to owe money, you need to pay whatever that is by April 17th this year. Okay, so don't miss that. And you also have estimated payments. First one for 2018's income is due April 17, 2018. So make sure not only are you paying last year's taxes if you owe it, but you're paying the first quarter of 2018's taxes looking forward. Okay. Now, of course, make sure that you've organized your receipts, your records for tax time. Not necessarily that being organized is going to save you tons of money, but what I can tell you is that when you're disorganized, you tend to miss things. So if you need a system on how to organize your documents, you can see any of our previous videos. We talk a lot about Evernote and Scannable. Absolutely love those guys for the OCR recognition capabilities. But of course, your CPA, your tax strategist can always give you an outline on the best way to organize those receipts and records for you so that you make sure that at least if you spent the money, you're getting those deductions on your tax returns. Okay. Itemized deductions is probably one of the next things, most important things, all right? There was a major change, right? So for 2017, itemized deductions are still going to be really, really important for a lot of people, okay? 2018, they've increased the standard deduction, so you may or may not be itemizing. So make sure that you're discussing your options and where you stand with your CPA and your tax strategist so that you know, do I even need to keep charity receipts anymore? Now, personally, I'm a big fan. Always keep everything, make it digital, right? So you don't have files and file boxes, right? But always keep everything because you never know. The tax laws can change at any time. At the moment, they're not supposed to change again until 2025. But if we get a different president, if we get a different set of Congress and Senate, these things can change at any time. So I'm a big fan. Keep the records, keep them organized, and off you go. Okay. Now, one of the biggest things, especially for salespeople, so if you personally are spending money, this goes for any profession, 2018, if you personally are spending money for your employer, right, unreimbursed employee expenses, make sure those puppies get reimbursed before December 31st, 2018, or if you don't itemize, those things may be gone completely. You may never get to deduct them again. So if you do any kind of spending whatsoever, you bring donuts to the office, you know, whatever kind of spending you're bringing on spending on behalf of your employer, make sure that those things get reimbursed before the end of the year, so at least you get your cash back, especially if you can no longer take the deduction under the itemized deductions. Okay? So, with all of that being said, okay, if you need help, all right, of course, we are a CPA firm. We are also tax strategists. We have two completely different sides to our practice. So if you don't have a good CPA, if you are looking for someone to help you, please reach out to us. We'd love to help. So if you just have questions, anything basic that we can answer for you, please leave them in the comments and questions below. We'll try and get to them as fast as we can. With it being tax season, we're all a little bit busy too. So thanks so much for joining us here today. We always want to bring you value in the form of entertainment, education, or inspiration. So again, please leave any comments and questions down below. Remember to subscribe to the channel. So if this is your first time here with us at Tax Strategies that save entrepreneurs thousands each year, join us, subscribe. We love you. Love us. Mwah! Signing off with Tax Love, your tax goddess and chief tax strategist for BigTaxDrop.com. Talk to you guys later. Thanks. Bye.